Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and most of you are probably getting tired of this one. But this is part 6, and I guarantee the last one. But I just thought I'm going to make an example. I even use the gentleman's colors. These are all 1-inch boxes. 1-inch box, 1-inch box. The difference is where the line is. These three are all the same. If you can tell, that progressively gets smaller going left to right. All these boxes are the same. So we're going to double click on, double pick the item and double click on the pen tool. So all these three ones are centered outline. We're going to make the one on the left the outline on the outside of the outline and say, okay. We're going to make the one on the right pick box. If you can see it's centered, and that's inside. Look at the difference. Now, what we're doing here makes a really big difference what we were trying to do. It does change the size. You know, even though Corel still thinks that's a 1-inch box, and this one is, but this one is bigger, you know, definitely. If we look at it, let's just see if we can't move it on top of that other one. You can see that box fits inside of that box's outline. So this makes a big deal. If we do this, well, I can't do them all at one time, and we make this inside outline a hairline, there's still an outline, but it's just almost gone, and that's what we're doing over here. There's still an outline there, but it's just almost disappeared because it's just a hairline. I hope that made a little bit of sense. Thank you for watching.